The Kratos XQ-58 Valkyrie is not just another drone, it's the future of aerial warfare. Welcome back to the NextGen World, where today we uncover the game-changing stealth drone that's rewriting the rules of modern combat. Developed by Kratos Defense in partnership with the U.S. Air Force Research Laboratory, the XQ-58 Valkyrie is part of the Loyal Wingman program, a revolutionary concept where unmanned aircraft fly alongside manned fighter jets like the F-22 and F-35, acting as force multipliers. But the Valkyrie isn't your average support drone. It's fast, stealthy, and deadly. At around 30 feet in length with a wingspan of 27 feet, the Valkyrie's compact, low-profile design makes it difficult to detect by enemy radar. Powered by a jet engine, it can reach speeds close to Mach 0.85 and fly at altitudes over 45,000 feet. What makes it especially unique is its launch system, no runway required. It can be launched via a rail and recovered using a parachute, offering unmatched flexibility in combat zones or remote operations. But the real brilliance of the Valkyrie lies in its autonomy and mission versatility. It's not just a drone, it's a smart wingman. Equipped with advanced AI, it can carry out complex missions on its own, electronic warfare, intelligence gathering, and even air-to-air or air-to-ground strikes. It can operate in high-risk environments where sending a human pilot would be too dangerous, making it a disposable but highly capable asset. And let's talk payload. The Valkyrie can carry weapons internally, cruise missiles, air-to-air missiles, or surveillance equipment, depending on the mission. It can also serve as a decoy, drawing enemy fire away from more expensive jets. Essentially, it's designed to confuse, overwhelm, and dominate. One of its biggest advantages: cost. While a single F-35 costs over $80 million, a Valkyrie is priced under $5 million. This allows militaries to deploy swarms of these drones, changing the balance of power in aerial engagements. In the future battlefield, numbers will matter, and the Valkyrie gives the US a serious edge. As of now, the Valkyrie has already completed successful test flights, and it continues to evolve with new tech integrations like autonomous swarming and satellite communications. This isn't science fiction, it's already happening. Thanks for watching the NextGen World. If cutting-edge defense tech excites you, hit like, subscribe, and join us as we explore the future, one breakthrough at a time.